Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up your lineup before you're going to the match, battle in head-to-head rank, or before you push your rank. You have to set your lineup properly. Just tap the My Team button. This is my team page. As you can see, I'm still in 118 overall team. So the tips and the trick is you have to put the player according his default position. For example, Kai Havertz, this one, tap the details. He is central attacking midfielder. So you have to put this player to this central attacking midfielder. So you have to form a formation that benefit the player also. It synchronize the overall unit. For example, this is the formation, tap the formation. This is a lot of formation here. So you have to synchronize the formation with the player you have. So the overall unit will be increased. You can also put like Kai Havertz in defender, but it will not effective, or your overall unit will be decreased because the position is not suitable for him. There are no additional skill boost here, like green value at the top of the icon of the player. Let's put the div back. As you can see, the skill boost increase, and also my overall unit, my overall team rate also increase. Prevent using this auto build. Why? Let's tap the auto build. Confirm. There are some players that not in position like this. Iron Rush is a striker, but he put in central back. It will not optimize, it's just mess up. So think carefully for synchronize your formation and your player to make optimize power or overall rate for your team and challenge the rank. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.